In this video lesson, we are asked, here are the first 5 terms of a sequence, -1, 0, 3, 8, and 15. Okay, find an expression in terms of n for the nth term of the sequence, and it's a 3-mark question, okay? So step 1, work out our difference or our common difference, if there is one. So from -1 to 0, we add 1. From 0 to 3, we add 2. Sorry, add 3, sorry, I don't know why I said 2. From 3 to 8, we add 5. And from 8 to 15, we add 7. So it's going up, okay, by a different amount each time. We're now going to work out the difference of the difference, okay, or the second difference. From 1 to 3, we add 2. From 3 to 5, we add 2. And from 5 to 7, guys, we again add 2. So when you have a second difference, always think it's going to be a quadratic sequence. So in the form an squared plus bn plus c. Okay, whenever you have a constant second difference, okay, it is always going to be a quadratic, okay, or an n squared or a power of 2, okay. So here is the process. So I'm going to circle these numbers here, okay, and I want you to remember these formulas. So 2a is equal to the second difference, and that 3a plus b is equal to the first difference, which is 1, and that a plus b plus c is equal to the first term. Now you might be thinking, where on earth am I getting this from? Okay, I'm going to do a separate video to obviously prove this to you, okay. But essentially, you would substitute in n equals 1 and 2 and 3 into this expression here that I'm pointing to with my arrow, okay. Work out your first difference and second difference, and you will get an expression that involves 2a, 3a plus b, and a plus b plus c. Okay, so from here, from the top equation, if 2a is 2, guys, therefore a is equal to 1. Okay, dividing it by 2 on both sides. If a is 1, I'm going to plug this into here. We're going to have 3 plus b is equal to 1. Take 3 on both sides, so subtract 3, we get b is minus 2 or negative 2. So a is 1, b is minus 2. Okay, I'm going to sub this into work out what c is. So I'm going to have a plus b, so plus negative 2 plus c is minus 1. When we rearrange this, we get that c is 0, because 1 plus minus 2 is 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. And minus 1 plus c is minus 1, therefore c is 0. So putting my answer together, it's going to be 1n squared or n squared minus 2n. And that, guys, is the nth term of my quadratic sequence, okay. So yeah, definitely a tricky topic here for the higher tier students, okay, but hopefully it makes sense. But all you really have to remember, okay, is those 3 expressions, that 2a equals the second difference, that 3a plus b equals the first difference, and that a plus b plus c is equal to the first term, okay. And then from there, you are able to obviously work out, yeah, what a, b, and c are, okay, by locating, yeah, the numbers, okay, in there, okay. But yeah, always work out your difference or differences first, okay, and then from there, use the logic or the rule that 2a equals the second difference, 3a plus b equals the first difference, and that a plus b plus c is equal to the first term.